Hello and welcome to my channel. This is e-commerce series part 3. In previous part of e-commerce series, we discussed e-business, history, definition, meaning and technical aspects of e-commerce. Please go through my e-commerce series part 2 video if you have not watched it. In this part, we list the types of e-commerce and consider the first 3 models in detail. Watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe Let's Try It channel. Let us recall the meaning of e-commerce that we discussed in the last video. E-commerce simply means an automatic information exchange system related to goods and services. The information exchanged can be tenders, request for quotations, purchase orders, shipping notices, invoices, bills, e-cash, etc. These are known as commercial documents. E-commerce is simply buying and selling using websites and other ICT-enabled devices. Let us consider the types of e-commerce that are also known as e-commerce business models. And the types are business to business e-commerce, business to consumer e-commerce, consumer to business e-commerce, consumer to consumer e-commerce, business to employee e-commerce, business to administration or business to government e-commerce, consumer to administration or citizen to government e-commerce. After considering the list of e-commerce business models, let us study one by one. The first one is business to business e-commerce, that is B2B EC. What is B2B? B2B e-commerce is the electronic trading of goods and services between two enterprises. B2B e-commerce is the trading activity between two companies using computer technology. When two companies exchange raw materials, machine components, equipments, machineries, and logistics services using the information and communication technology, it becomes B2B e-commerce. One company acts as supplier company and another as buyer company. The exchange of goods and services will be normally in bulk or wholesale quantity. This example shows how B2B e-commerce works. There are two trading partners, one is buyer company and another the seller company. Both exchange commercial documents automatically using their respective enterprise software systems including money. The goods such as raw material and machinery are supplied using physical transportation. In B2B e-commerce, an enterprise's software system conducts transactions with another enterprise's software system and both systems are looked after by respective company employees. Initially, e-commerce was majorly based on B2B method. B2B is the largest type of e-commerce. With just about $226 billion e-commerce in 2000, now in 2019 it has grown to more than $7,600 billion including B2C e-commerce. This graph shows growth of world's B2B e-commerce in last 7 years with the gross merchandise volume in 2019 about $12,216 billion. B2B is restricted to business partners and uses secure procedures based on firewall, encryption and authorization level with payment by predefined credit terms. B2B is influencing extranet for connecting the trading partners. In case of B2B, buyers are not anonymous and each one has different customized requirements. B2B involves expanding the circle of suppliers for safety and competition as well as centralizing control for records and discounts. B2B includes software as a service. It is a method of software licensing and delivery where software is accessed online through a subscription instead of buying and installing on individual computers. This is a diagrammatic representation of business to business e-commerce considering both supplier and customer point of view for a business enterprise. Let us know some of the instances where B2B e-commerce is used. An oil refinery company buying crude oil from Gulf countries. An antacid manufacturing company buying sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, and citric acid from suppliers. A chocolate manufacturing company buying milk powder, cocoa, and sugar from various companies. A logistics company providing product delivery service on behalf of a manufacturing company. A software company providing value-added network services to trading partners. There are plenty of companies involved in B2B e-commerce. This page shows some of them. Let us move to the next type of e-commerce, that is business to consumer e-commerce model. Let us know what is B2C e-commerce. Business to consumer is a kind of e-commerce where the selling and buying of goods and services takes place between business and an individual consumer. In case of B2C e-commerce, the relation is between a company and a consumer. Here, the consumer interacts with an enterprise's software system. B2C uses internet for connecting companies to consumers. It is simply a home or online shopping technique. The exchange of goods and services is in small quantity or in retail. This illustration shows how a business enterprise sells products to consumers using its website. In B2C, a company creates an online store in the form of a commercial website. The online store will be equipped with product or service catalog, order baskets, payment processing, content management, and member management, etc. features. It tries to provide user-friendly shopping experience to consumers. This is a typical representation of a company's virtual storefront having search option, product category catalog, and shopping cart. In B2C, consumers visit websites of required company and make online purchase using eCash. The product will be delivered to consumers' home or office in stipulated days. B2C is the most popular form of all types of e-commerce because common citizen can enter in it. B2C makes it easy for small firms to appear online without huge investments. Consumers can get products at their own places without physically going to a store. This illustration shows how B2C e-commerce is advantageous. In traditional retail commerce, a huge capital for construction or renting of storefront in a key marketplace is necessary. Also, one has to invest more to make the shop look aesthetically attractive to attract the consumers. But in case of B2C e-commerce, a good consumer-friendly website and a warehouse to store products at any convenient place is enough. Due to the larger reach Companies can offer products at lower prices. Companies can sell the same assortments to their consumers, and some degree of anonymity exists in B2C. B2C e-commerce is growing faster due to the use of smartphones for online shopping. There are thousands of companies involved in B2C e-commerce. This page shows some of them. Let us move to the third type of e-commerce, that is consumer to business e-commerce model. What is consumer to business e-commerce? Consumer to business is a kind of e-commerce where the selling activity is initiated by individual consumer. In case of C2B, a consumer creates products and services which are purchased or consumed by a company. In C2B business model, an individual consumer can be any person who has something to offer, either a service or a good, to a company. Then this individual gets paid for the work provided to the company. C2B provides platform for individual consumers to create value for the company. It is opposite to B2C e-commerce and rather a peculiar phenomenon. It looks strange, but e-commerce has really made it possible for each of us easily enter into a business deal and earn. C2B model is really a good platform for common person so that he or she can convert hobbies into business and exhibit the talent to the world and get rewarded handsomely. This illustration shows the working of consumer to business e-commerce model. There are two prime entities in C2B. One is consumer who sells goods and services, another a company that buys them. Some buying companies have their own websites and some other use C2B intermediary websites. The intermediaries can be blogger sites, webmaster sites, affiliate service sites, stock image sites, survey or polling sites, referral hiring sites, and so on. Here are the instances of C2B. C2B is called reverse auction or demand collection type, in which consumer quotes the price for a product or service he or she wishes to buy. The website collects and offers bids to consumers. In C2B, a consumer posts his projects or requirements with a set budget on the internet. Within hours, companies look at the consumer's requirements and bid on the project to fulfill consumers' needs. The consumer reviews bids and selects the company that will complete the project according to his or her plans. Consumer giving useful idea or review about a product or service to a company which helps it to improve quality and productivity. Consumer posting the tender to construct greenhouse in his farm. Review of a YouTube cooking video suggesting a certain ingredient manufactured by a company. Consumer blogging their experiences about a restaurant, hotel or travel company that helps in branding of those firms. Consumer uploading photographs or images to websites and get paid when somebody downloads them. This illustration shows how a blogger recommends a particular soap to co-bloggers in a healthcare blogging site. We can also see a lady consumer uploading nature photo clicked by her to a stock image website. In both cases, the consumers have chances of getting monetary rewards. Authors on internet forum or blog provide a link to an online store that helps the purchase of a product or service. For example, a forum discussing about health and nutrition by giving link of Amazon.com that directs to a protein supplement product sold by Amazon. An individual person answering a market questionnaire or any other survey and getting paid. An individual person having connections with employers offering job hiring service by referring someone through referral hiring sites. These are the examples of C2B intermediary sites. affiliate or blogger sites such as Google AdSense, Amazon Partner Program, Google AdWords, and Commission Junction, stock photo sites such as Shutterstock, iStock, Photolia, etc., freelancer sites like Upwork, Elance, Freelancer, etc., survey or poll sites like Point Club, Gozing, iPoll, etc., referral hiring sites such as Jobster, Prefer Hired, RoundOn, etc. There are some examples of C2B referral websites that pay its consumers. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Thank you.